Hello friends, I'm and today we're gonna customize my Linux setup like this. I know I've been creating videos on this particular setup for some time and it looks good. It looks damn good. And yet it is pretty simple as you can see. It is. So I'm gonna show you how you can actually get a setup like this. And for that, I'm gonna just go on with Fedora. You can do it on Ubuntu, Arch, Manjaro, wherever you want to. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the desktop and yeah, it is pretty simple, but it looks good because GNOME actually looks good in the default version. But we're gonna make it even better as I showed you earlier. So all you have to do is just type these two commands. You have to install Papirus icon theme through this command and then Bibata cursor through this command. Now, if you're on Ubuntu, then just replace DNF with apt and that's it. And now it is time to install the extensions. For that, I always prefer to just go with GNOME software. Type here extension and there install the extension manager. This is the best one. So now let's just open the extension manager, go to browse and just first install the user theme from here and then blur my shell. And as you see, I've installed both of them. So let me just enable them one by one. Now in the blur my shell menu, go to the panel and enable it with static. Okay, that's it.
And now this is time for the segue to our sponsor, Deta Surf, the smart, local-first browser that is built for creators, dreamers, or anyone who actually thinks on the internet. And everything I researched for the video before the pre-production was done inside Deta Surf, just like this. And most browsers track you, but Deta Surf doesn't. Deta Surf is a local-first browser. So yes, I use Deta Surf and it's not just a browser for me. It's a one-stop destination for my workspace. It is like my second brain. And you can check Deta Surf with the link in the description. And let's continue the video.
Now comes to another main part, which is GNOME Tweaks. Now yes, you can just go on and install the normal one with GNOME Tweaks. It will always go right. And the wallpaper link is in the description, so just, enable it from there. But first, let's go to tweaks. Now appearances. Now in the cursor, choose Bibata as you install it with the command. I'm going to go with Bibata Modernize. And with the icons, I'm going to go with just Papirus, the normal Papirus icon pack. That's it. I just want the normal GNOME shell with normal legacy applications. Nothing extra, nothing more. And now it is time for the most important part, the wallpaper. Set as background, set, and there you go. You have this beautiful, amazing desktop. And yeah, you have to organize this thing by yourself, the application menu. But besides that, everything is just gonna be awesome, just like it is right now. And this is how you actually set up your Fedora or any GNOME distro with ease, just like this. And if you have any problems, just comment me down there. And yeah, if you have any ideas to create videos, just tell me in the comment section. It actually will be really helpful. As a content creator, I need a hell lot of ideas, especially a beginner. Yep, I call myself a beginner, especially there. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, then subscribe for more awesome tech videos uploaded on this channel regularly. And you can try Deta Surf. The link is in the description. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, I'm Moon signing out.